Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through 3 exercises that will dramatically improve your posture. We're going to be focusing in on the back extensors and the posterior chain of the body so you stand taller and prouder than ever before and have the strongest back possible. All you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started. Now we're going to come down onto our mat into a prone position, lying on your front. Now bring your arms out in front of you, drop your shoulders down away from your ears, turn your heels in and press your pelvis into the ground. You're going to lift through those abdominals and make sure you're really extending through the spine, lifting the chest and pressing through the palms of the hands. Now you're going to maintain that position as you reach one arm forward. You're going to bring the elbow in beside the rib cage and then reach forward. So keep pulling in through your center, keep your shoulders down away from the ears. Really squeeze into that rib cage, pulling in and keeping those shoulders down away from your ears. Squeeze. We'll do 5 more like this. 5. Good. And 4. Keep those shoulders down. Keep pressing into the opposite palm for support and stability. Keep the collarbone wide, the chest open. Good. Now we're going to just add on to that. We're going to bring the elbow in and then squeeze down beside the thigh. Turn the palm in. Reach back in. Bend the elbow. Stretch forward. 2. And bend and reach. So you're maintaining that extension the whole way through. You're drawing your shoulder blade down your back as you pull that elbow in and reach. Good. And we'll do 5 more like this. 5. Good. And 4. 3 to go. 3. And 2 more. And 1 last time. Now from here we're going to keep the arms straight. We're just going to pull back and reach. 9. Look back towards the hand as you reach. Good. Reach. And stretch. We'll do 5 more. 5. And 4. 3 to go. 3. And 2. And 1 last time. Now in between you're going to bring your arms down, you're going to press through the forearms and lift up into a slight extension, just stretching and releasing through that back. And then release and lower back down and into the ground. Repeat that series 3 times through and then change to the other side. Alternatively, if you want fantastic, full-length, real-time workout videos anytime, anywhere, check out our online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have over 500 full-length workout videos, programs, challenges, reformer workouts. Whatever you're looking for, you'll find it there. I can't wait to see you at the next workout.